Today, we're going to build a candelabra using 7 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
First, we'll start with the base of our candlestick, and to do that, we're going to grab one of these 2x2 inverted radar dishes and a mechanical claw piece. And just put the mechanical claw piece into the hole of the inverted radar dish, and you've got the stand to our candlestick. Now, to create the stick parts, we're going to grab these handcuffs and 2 more of these mechanical arm pieces. You're going to put the claw piece into the handcuff part, the part that goes around the minifigure's wrists, and put it right there in the center so that it's sticking up. And we're going to do that 2 times. Sorry about hitting the camera there. And you're going to need to adjust them so you've got them in the right position and you like how they look on the minifigure handcuffs. And now on top of these sticks, we're going to put the candles. And for the candle, we're going to use these tan Technic pins. You see you got that smaller end, a little bump, and the long end. You're going to put the small end into the arm of that claw piece and push it all the way down to create the candle part of our candlestick. Now, once you're all done, you've got that kind of thicker area of the handcuff. You're going to put that into our stand, or the claw piece of our stand, and just kind of snap it in place and then adjust it so you've got it to the right look for you and what you like for your candlestick. And now this is the finish of the build officially. And you all know I don't really stick to illegal versus legal Lego moves, because to me, if a piece sticks all by itself, do it, have fun. Now, if you need to use tape, glue, bubble gum, then no, I don't believe in doing that. But for this next part, if you want to give this candlestick some flames, you can use these small little flame pieces and stick them into the top of the Technic pin here to create kind of like a nice little candle lit effect for your scene. But I don't include this in the technical build because it doesn't stay in at all. It's a loose piece. But that's up to you and how you want to set up your scene. But here is a candlestick, and I hope you can use it for your kind of smaller mocks and creations.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.